the gold mine,
and we get the shaft.
To all of those out there who want to kill the voice, who want to attack workers, who want to destroy the middle class, I want you to know two things. Number one, you have galvanized, energized, and mobilized members and middle class all across this country. We are ready. And number two, make sure you know the union will not go away. We will stand together, fight for the rights of students in public education. Our voices will be heard. Friends, this is one of those do or die moments. There is not time to just sit there or stand on the sidelines. So I ask you, are you going to just sit back and take it? No! Are you going to allow them to silence your voice? No! Then will you stand together and fight for public education and students? I say to you, this challenge will not defeat us. It will make us bigger, stronger, and better organized. Are you ready?